AutoCAD or Catia, choosing the right CAD software can make or break your project. Let's break them down fast. AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, is a go-to for 2D drafting and basic 3D modeling. Its intuitive interface makes it perfect for architects, civil engineers, and interior designers creating floor plans, schematics, and construction drawings. With tools like layer management, DWG file compatibility, and Autolist for automation, it's user-friendly and versatile. Priced at around $210 per month or $1,700 per year, it's cost-effective for small businesses and beginners. Catia from Dassault Systems is a powerhouse for advanced 3D modeling, simulation, and product lifecycle management. It's the top choice for aerospace, automotive, and industrial machinery, excelling in complex surface modeling and assembly design. With features like mold design, simulation, and PLM integration, it's ideal for high-precision engineering. However, it's pricier, often costing thousands annually, and has a steeper learning curve. So, which is better? Well, AutoCAD shines for 2D drafting and simpler 3D tasks in architecture, civil engineering, and construction. It's easier to learn, more affordable, and widely compatible. Catia, on the other hand, is built for complex 3D designs and simulations in aerospace and automotive industries. It's more powerful, but harder to master and more expensive. If you're drafting 2D plans or starting out, go with AutoCAD. For intricate 3D models and engineering, Catia is your pick. Choose based on your needs. AutoCAD for simplicity and affordability, or Catia for advanced engineering. Both are industry leaders, just pick the one that fits your project. Like, subscribe, and comment which CAD software you use. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.